Hello and welcome to Song Nation TV. In this episode, we're sitting on the floor, aren't we, Ed?
We're not tinkering an MX-5 car.
No, not at all. No. We're doing something with
the Ep3.
Oh yes, the Honda Civic Type R, the Ep3.
Do you know what it is?
No.
You'll find out in a minute.
Ed, why have you got logs in your car?
Hey?
Why have you got logs in your car?
Because I'm a big fan of Irish shillelaghs, and it's a shillelagh.
What the fuck is a shillelagh?
One of these. It's an Irish wooden old school weapon. It's called a shillelagh. So when I was cutting down some bushes the other day, I found these. To be in the shape of a shillelagh, but they are. But if one whack with this, you're on the floor.
Do you like the film Gangs of New York?
Yeah, he's got sort of shillelagh, the Irish guy in it.
Yeah, Brendan Gleeson.
Yeah, the bigger guy. Yeah, the barber guy. Yeah. So that's a shillelagh.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why.
You're the oddest person I know. I know a lot of odd people, but you're the oddest person.
I told you, yes.
So what are we doing?
Oh yes.
I mean,
so I got an absolute steal and a bargain.
Coming from the dark, coming from the shadows, coming from the dark, coming from the shadows.
Consensus is it's a Tigua rear strut brace for an Ep3.
Consensus says that today.
Dale and Amy said it.
So what we need to know, anybody from the EP3 community, is this dirty thing a Tigua
rear strut
brace?
So it was 20 quid. It was 20 quid off Facebook Marketplace.
Facebook Marketplace.
Facebook Marketplace.
Where did you get it?
Facebook Marketplace.
Good game.
You got to put that or go down one. Terry tips. But yeah, 20 quid, mate.
Yeah. So the new one is considerably thicker than the original. So as you can see, I mean that's arguably. I mean it's not cylindrical like the original, but it's arguably double the size. So thin, thick. Weird shillelagh thing. Thick, thin. Some more weird shillelagh things. What an odd bod that boy is. And still no interior, so he's got the interior, he just can't be asked to fit it. But that's because we're doing stuff like this, so you don't really want the interior in when you're doing this. Makes it easier. So yeah, we're going to be fitting that in a second. I'm just going to wait for Ed to be ready, basically, because, you know, it's Ed and he's never ready. As you can see, I mean, you might not be able to see him. He's in the garage somewhere. I can hear bolts dropping. I can't see any Ed. What's he doing? Who is he today? Which impressions will he do? He's already done Brucey. Who else is he going to do? Who knows? And the road is still busy, so it's a bit later than other videos we filmed, but there's still a fair amount of traffic, and that's because we live in Exeter and our unit is in the centre of Exeter. Oh, there we go. There's a Golf GTI Mark 6 playing some banging tunes. There you go. Have a look. Some birds. Still no Ed.
Can't find a 14mm anywhere. It's the rise and fall.
You found your 14mm then, Ed?
Yes. You piece of garbage.
Why am I a piece of garbage?
Oh, well.
You're the one who's ruined all of our tools.
I've got 4 shillelaghs in here. Don't test me. Will I notice any difference with this?
With the shillelagh?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, of course you will. I mean, you know, it's thicker. It's a slightly different shape. It will give, well, it should give more rigidity. Rigidity.
And welcome to Rigidity with Bruce Forsyth.
And Alan Rickman. Ooh, back from the dead.
Adam.
Robin. Lord Loxley.
I speak out, 'cause it did hurt to me.
Robin of the Hood.
We've had
Father
enough.
died squealing like a stuck pig.
Stuffed pig. Stuffed.
Stuck is stuck. It's a stuck pig, as in a stabbed pig. You should know with your shillelagh knowledge, you fucking psychopath.
What was the line again?
The one I just said.
Yeah.
Robin of the Hood,
Yes.
your father died squealing like a stuck pig. Because a pig to be stuffed, mate, would already be dead, wouldn't it? If you're going to get your Robin Hood Prince of Thieves facts, do them right. Be better.
I would say a pig would squeal more if you're trying to stuff it than it's stuck.
Yeah, but it's going to be dead before you stuff it.
Not in back those
Yes,
days.
it would have
Not
been.
in those days.
They'd slit its throat and then stuff it.
Yeah, but if you were trying to stuff a pig while...
Welcome to another episode of medieval stuffing pig techniques with your hosts APK and Ed the pig stuffer bastard.
What did you say? ABK, APK?
APK, yeah.
Like the Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels.
Your mum's the heartbreak
They
kid.
think I'm cute, but I'm ugly. They think I'm thin, but I'm fat and driving wild.
Ed's rectum is on show.
Rectum Indomini. No, but I'm just saying.
Yeah, I don't care now.
A stuck pig
Yeah?
would squeal, wouldn't it? Because you go.
Yeah, a stuck pig
You'd
would.
go.
You'd die.
Wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Because it's stuck. But if I'm trying to stuff a live pig,
But
it
you
equally
wouldn't stuff a
squeal.
live pig. If anybody knows about medieval pig stuffing techniques, then please comment below.
And get in contact our 0800 Farm Boy.
And that's 0800 Farm Boy. Oh, the road's getting quite quiet. I mean, there's more cars coming, and Ed doing an impression of a pig. So, yeah, we've had to 10 mil. We're gonna have to 10 mil these.
Oh,
Motorbike driving past, or riding past, or flying past, however you want to
is
say
it 10 mil?
But to fit these out, because we've tried to just flip them around and move them about, and they're not doing
Not
it,
with the
so-
shocks in situ, cousin.
No. I mean, it should be easier than that, but no. It never
It's
is,
never
is
going to
it?
be easy.
No. It's an easy mod that's going to not be easy. And we have success, don't we, Ed? You've got
do.
one side off. There's the other one.
I'd like to sort of clean that up. If I put a new one in. We've got no cleaning products. What you got for tea tonight?
I don't know.
Why not?
I just don't know, Ed. I've not really thought about it.
Well, it's tea.
Chicken, probably.
It's tea time.
Well, actually, I think you'll find it's rear strut brace time. Yeah. He's firing on all cylinders today. Yeah, odd. Oh, well, I wouldn't say anything.
His pants.
He pooed his pants,
It's
apparently.
all on the line. He has problems keeping his spine in line.
Ed's cleaning it out there with a brush.
It's a fucking dog hair. It's ridiculous. Why is there dog hair on my Buddy Club strut braces from the old dog that was in this car?
Don't know.
So, Sweet Prince, it should just go on.
It should. Yeah.
Oh, it just doesn't fit. Is it for an EP3? That doesn't fit around the Buddy Club top mount.
It doesn't fit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
No.
So, yeah, the new strut brace, rear strut brace, doesn't fit because of the top mounts. Yeah. The Buddy Club top mounts are too thick, so it looks like the old one is going to be going back on, doesn't it?
What a waste of fucking time.
And money.
If anyone wants a EP3 rear strut brace who's potentially got normal rear top mounts, there you are, 20 quid it's yours. Leave a comment below. Because I'm not going to be swapping out my Buddy Club top mounts to put that in.
No, we're going to put the other one back in.
Fucking
That's
hell.
disappointing, isn't it, Ed?
Oh. One fits. Should we just do one?
Just one size. That might go against the whole point of it.
Yeah. It's the buddy club. That bit there. It's just thick. It's just too thick. Oh, that's embarrassing, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh well. Oh well. Well, we'll fit the other one and come back.
That was a waste of bloody time.
Yeah. So we've reinstalled the standard rear strut brace.
Yeah.
So, you know, the problem is, and let this be a lesson to anyone who is updating their suspension components and then wanting to get a strut brace, make sure you get one that's to fit bigger top mounts.
And it's not like I can take any like skim off any of the metal here because
No.
these two massive plonks here.
Yeah.
So yeah, anyone wants Ep3 rear strut brace, 20 quid. hit me
Second
up.
advert, yeah.
There you go.
So on that disappointing note, yeah, I mean, to be fair, we might not have got what we wanted to get done, Ed, but I mean, you know, we're teaching a valuable lesson to anybody watching this video who might own an EP3.
That's why it's a bargain.
Yeah.
Maybe they couldn't fit it.
Yeah, yeah. And
There you go, that's a risk you take.
exactly, and they hadn't told you, whereas we're telling people.
Our mistakes, so you don't have to. There you
Look
go.
at that, is that a new tagline?
Check your top mounts.
Yeah.
I only hear the Buddy Club top mounts, but I'm not going to swap my OEM ones out.
No. No, you want,
would.
you've upgraded proper. Like, that's a bit, the top mounts are a better upgrade than just doing a thicker rear
Yeah.
strut brace. I mean, the thing is, you just have to look out for a rear strut brace that's going to be wide enough to fit.
Yeah, I wonder if you can get something aftermarket that can bolt onto there,
Yeah.
and that's thicker. 'Cause
Yeah,
that's,
exactly, yeah.
That's the there. This doesn't really matter, does it?
No.
As long as that's nice and thick.
Yeah. A
Just
bit
make
more,
my own, make
a
my
bit
own.
more extra rigidity.
Yes.
Yes.
But I'm really disappointed.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
So we hope you've enjoyed this video of what not to do. If you have, then please subscribe, turn on notifications, find us on social media. We're over at Twitter, we're at
Oh, he's paid, what did he pay?
TikTok,
35
Elon Musk,
billion for
yeah,
Twitter?
I know.
Is it worth that?
Yeah, because we've got a good
Oh, 'cause
account.
we're on it, yeah.
That's right. Yeah, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook,
Pornhub,
X-Hamster.
yeah, all the good ones,
RedTube.
all your favourites.
Yep, yeah, we're over there. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, Ed's been upset,
Yeah.
and well done for that.
Stuffed pig.
Stuck.